Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Hacked by Banks. I'm Sasha in the background and this is Rory. Hi Rory. We are working on bedroom number 3. Finally we're trying to finish up the closet. Let me think. Rory, why you look like that? Because of me fair paint? Alright guys, I guess we're at odds about this. Miss Sue, come take over the painting, man, but you're doing such a good job. You don't have nothing to say? Alright, hold on, let me close the window. Forget out the street sound. Alright guys, so these windows are actually pretty good. Once we close them, it's almost as if we lock out the street sound. Well, most of it. They're double paned. Double pane, you call it, Rory?
Yeah.
Double pane, shutterproof casement windows that we bought at Active, and it's actually a standard size window. It's 3x3. This one in particular, but we find that they're pretty good with sound. It's a 4x4? Really? Okay, well this is a 4x4. I stand corrected. But they block out a good amount of the sound from outside. I mean, we're still getting sound from the other room, but if we lock up all of the window them, we're not fully soundproof, but we are. Trust me, it reduces a lot of the noise. So we're going to work on what we're going to do today. We're finish up the closet here. Miss Sue, come take over the painting from you, man. What else do I have to do? Oh yes, we have this dowel here and these mounts that we bought to mount it. We have to install the pulls on the doors, and we have to trim inside, right? Yeah, I want to trim it. I have the trim feed, so I do it, and then we have to caulk all of them the side towards the wall, and so we can trim the top as well to make it look a little bit more finished. And we'll have some little touch outs for doing here. We still have the door here for paint. Figure that out. And we have the office to start working on, which we have not done. And again, Rory, like I said, me must paint it. So yeah, I have the wall here for paint, and I'm painting it this green. If you didn't see the video of what we plan to do with this office, then you can go ahead and check it out. We have all of the 3D plans, the 2D layout and the 3D layout of what we want. The only change is that we're trying to incorporate this into the office because Rory finds comfort in having it here. So we're gonna try and incorporate it and see how best we can probably change up what we do with the wall. But we'll start working on this today as well. Yeah, so, and we already put some of the furniture in this room. We still have like curtains and small decor things to do, but for the most part, once we finish with the closet, we will be done. And I'm gonna change my clothes and take over the painting, Rory, so that you can work on something else. some work done. The door's still not done, but we trimmed out the closet. I still have another coat of paint to put up there. And ta-da! Closet is painted and trimmed out up there. I still have the knobs to install there, but we have a new knob here which I love and prefer. Still have a little touch out to do on the wall, but yeah, the next time you see this room, it's gonna be revealed with all the bells and whistles. But that's how the closet is looking now, finally. I still have some work to do on the inside of the closet, which is going to be for another time in life. Definitely not now. But we have the closet rod to hang, and I have these shelves to wrap, and right here I need to cover this up too. I'm thinking about just using a wallpaper, like a funky wallpaper in here, have some fun. And I wanted to put some drawers in, but that never happened, so these are the drawers for now. And that's it for, that will be it for this closet. We'll also need to grease this thing, yeah, this need for grease. But yeah, and we have one coat of paint here. We kind of changed up the design because of the fact that Rory wants to keep the couch in this area. So we changed it up a little bit, and we're only going to do half of the wall in the paneling. So yeah, this mega have to paint that over in a white and finish up this wall. But so far so good. The next time you see this room, the paneling should be finished, and what else? The shelf should be up. The wall should have its 2 or 3 coats of paint. Those cables will be hidden, and yeah, hopefully we can finish that this week. That's what we're working towards. But until another time, guys, you'll hear me. It's a wrap. Stay safe, DIY family. Peace out.